Remember when I broke my classmates' balls. And before you hate me, I don't mean like broke, I mean like hurt. So like it was at my school while it was recess. Then my friends and me went to the swing, and my friend Andre got an idea to only look at the window for a reason. Then my friend Alden had to annoy me a little bit. Then I accidentally. When I did that, I was about to cry for some reason. Somewhere in these eyes. But I think after that, I said sorry, then everything went to normal. It's kind of crazy that it happened in the first place. But thanks for watching my video though. But I'm gonna say something first. Pilipinas, for verse 13, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So bye guys, that's all for today for our video.